One of the things that we're talking about very heavily is how Annex 1 has impacted operations in these facilities. We're starting to understand now what the inspectors actually expect to see off of that document of Annex 1. Material transfers is a huge topic right now, of being able to get things into the grade A environment in an appropriate way to protect the patient the right way. So there's going to be a couple of sessions on that. Robotics is always a heavy topic in aseptic. And so we have a couple of new designs that we're going to see in aseptic. And so the submissions that we got brought in some really good new technology. We're also looking at some of the new analytical methods that are needed to address some of the Annex 1 issues. And so we're seeing vast improvements in our industry right now on almost small little topics that will have huge impact. This year, ATMP is a part of aseptic. So we have an entire day track of ATMP where they're talking about the challenges in ATMP, the regulatory differences in ATMP, the manufacturing challenges that they're seeing in ATMP, and all of us are very excited to go and engage in that and to see what's going on in that new part of the industry. That's that incredible part of our industry that's addressing curative therapies. For many years, we've only been doing therapeutics, and we're into curative therapies these days.